Hey guys, welcome back to YOTAKING channel. Today's video I'm going to be installing some bed stiffeners. Whether you're pimping out your rig with a slick bed rack, complete with a cozy tent and all the gear, or if you're out there pushing the limits, tearing down those rugged washboard roads, here's the deal. The stock plastic bed channel on your Tacoma might flex more than a yoga instructor, and over time that can mean some unwanted cracks in the surrounding sheet metal. But hold up. Enter Total Chaos and their bolt-on bed stiffeners. These bad boys aren't just an upgrade, they're a game changer. Oh, but that's not all. Total Chaos knows that having options is like gold in the off-road world. That's why they've thrown in integrated tie-down points, so now not only is your bed ready to take on the world, but it's also got your back when it comes to securing your precious cargo. Yeah! Tools required is the T55 Torx, the T40 Torx, the 10mm wrench or socket, half-inch wrench or socket, 5/8 wrench, and a 5/16 drill bit. Step 1. Grab a 10mm wrench or socket to pop that top bolt. If your ride's rocking a camper shell, you might need to bust out a barrel sander, smooth that shell, and clear the path for yanking that upper bolt. Step 2. Using the 10mm wrench or socket, remove the bolt above the tailgate latch, which is one of the two bolts that holds the tail light in, and next remove the lower tail light bolt. Next, remove the tail light and let it hang by the wires. Using the T55 bit, remove the bed mount bolt. Grab that T40 Torx bit and pop off that stock tie-down mount, keeping all them washes and spaces in check. Once that piece is out of the way, slide them washes and spaces on your new bolt, then right through your bed stiffener, just like you see in the video. Easy peasy, fams. Now set that new bed stiffener in place and install that 7/16 bolt with the supply wash on the top and the bed stiffener factory washer underneath where the stock tie-down mount was from, and then install that T55 bed bolt. Next step, install the stock top bolt into the bed. If you spot a space between the bed stiffener and the bed, that's a sign that your bed's got a little bend going on. Hold up, don't go full torque on that bolt because it could straight up snap. Just get a couple threads going first before you roll to the next step. Next, using a 5/16 drill bit, use the holes in the bed stiffener as a guide to drill through the bed. Once the holes are drilled, install the provided 5/16 bolts into the 3 holes, loosely securing them with the provided nuts, making sure to include all washers on both sides. Then working from top to bottom, or whatever, vice versa. Go ahead and tighten down each bolt. The T55 bed bolt is going to be torqued at 60 foot-pounds. Your 7/16 bolt is going to be 50 foot-pounds. And then your 5/16 bolt, that's going to be 18 foot-pounds. And last but not least, I'm going to install this headlight that I'm not so proud of because I really want to change it out for a nicer one. Go ahead and tighten that down and boom, you're done. Thing of beauty. Well, my fellow road warriors, whether you're rolling with your gear for a slick weekend getaway or taking on those wild, uncharted trails, let me tell you, Total Chaos has got your Tacoma's back and that bed. Covered in style, baby. It's time to take your truck game to a whole new level. Turn that bed into an absolute fortress of unstoppable strength. Thanks for tuning in, YOTAKING fans. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and comment, for that helps me with algorithms, and it definitely motivates me to dish out some more content. So stay sharp. See you in the next video. Peace.